So is there an NCP-BJP alliance on the cards? NCP leader DP Tripathi has said that the party is in touch with other political parties ahead of general elections, but many political commentators are asking, is this just posturing? DP Tripathi's statement to Headlines Today came on a day when Sharad Pawar rubbished reports that he had a secret meeting with BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. Pawar said this is a mischievous report being circulated in the media and that he hasn't met Narendra Modi in the past 1 year. But DP Tripathi's statement adds to speculation that the UPA ally is gravitating towards the saffron camp. Let's listen in to DP Tripathi in conversation with Headlines Today.
40 साल की ऊपर की उम्र के राहुल गांधी हो गए हैं, तो अगर अब मैच्योर नहीं है तो कब मैच्योर होंगे? और ये तय करना कांग्रेस पार्टी का काम है कि उनके नेता कौन हो। जहां तक पवार साहब के बयान का प्रश्न है, उन्होंने सदाशयता में, सद्भावना में एक बात कही थी कि राहुल गांधी को अनुभव प्राप्त करना चाहिए, सीखना चाहिए, और इसलिए उन्हें मनमोहन सिंह के मंत्रिमंडल में शामिल होकर प्रशासनिक अनुभव भी प्राप्त करना।
क्या मोदी भारी पड़ते हैं राहुल के ऊपर?
3 बार मुख्यमंत्री रह चुके, तो निश्चित तौर पर उनको प्रशासनिक अनुभव राहुल गांधी से ज्यादा है। एनसीपी की हमेशा नीति रही है कि तमाम जनतांत्रिक दलों को इकट्ठा किया जाए एक मंच पर। इसमें कोई नई बात नहीं है, और हम चुनाव के बाद के गठबंधन पे विश्वास नहीं करते। जो कुछ हम करेंगे चुनाव के पहले करेंगे।
DP Tripathi's comments come days after NCP leader and Union Minister Praful Patel went soft on Narendra Modi on the 2002 rights issue. Let's listen in.
We are in an era where we believe that judicial system is the final recourse to getting justice on any issue or to bring a finality to any controversy. And if the judicial system has given any pronouncement, I think we ought to respect it and we need not question it further. Politics is not only about the judicial system, politics is also about perception. And I think it is important political parties, I think we, go to the people based on the perception, what we believe in. And I think that perception is not for us alone to believe, it is for the people to believe what we say.
A lot of political reaction also coming in from across the spectrum. Let's listen in.
मुझे नहीं लगता चर्चा या